Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute because you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Not a very exciting day today on this one, but still very, very healthy. What do I mean by that? Well, just as a quick recap, but this thing has made a very impressive bounce to the upside. And it's one of those situations, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen these sorts of situations where, yeah, the price does make a great movement to the upside, but then all of a sudden the price just drifts right back to where it was. But so far, that has not been the case at all. The price has been doing a great job of just simply going sideways. Again, I realize going sideways, not nearly as exciting as when the price is exploding to the upside. But given that context of, well, at least it's not rolling over, it being the price, and at least the price is working on building a higher base, that's definitely a step and a sign. There's still a whole lot of work that needs to be done, of course, but at least the bounce has not just all of a sudden, completely collapsed like a lot of these, tend to do. So on that note, yeah, not an exciting day, but good to see that the price remains, healthy, and that the price is still working on chipping away at those higher bases. But as I talked about in Wednesday's video, and I'm going to talk about again, really from the overarching point of view and just judging the health of the overall movement right now, just watch that purple line, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving, so it's Friday, and then next week play out. That line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So as long as the price is above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are, the trend is fully in the bulls' favor. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, the one dynamic that I'm curious about, and it might not mean anything at all, but the price did actually, the final 30 minutes there, get a break through that trend line right there. So the question that I have, and this is not something that nobody else has discovered. I'm assuming other people that use charts and understand charts have taken notice of this, and they're going to be wondering the same thing. But hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is a bigger type breakout going to occur? And if so, let's talk about the next key level of resistance. And that level of resistance, let's change this to red real quick for resistance. So if this is the start of something bigger, then the next key big step would be, can the price get up there above $6.35, which is the resistance from these highs over here. So definitely a very interesting final 30 minutes. You can see down there, got a little bit of a volume surge. So we'll see if this is the start of a bigger breakout or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.